Hi, welcome to Yarn Again. My name is Teresa, and this is part of my Hobby Lobby haul. I wanted to let you know that, in my opinion, these are worth the buy over at Hobby Lobby for $1.37, marked down from $5.49, because it's called Color Play, and it got 60 yards. They make one hat with 1.5 skeins of yarn. So for $2.74, you're making two hats. And this is what I have left of the first one. It's a little bit wadded up because it was in a bag. And I'm sure I could make half of a hat with that. So with the other one, you're always going to have a little bit of extra. And this nice little hat has all the half double crochets. And it has a front back post brim. And the color is Moon Vista. It had, oh, nope, sorry, Mesa Vista. It has 60 yards per skein, 3.5 ounces. Like I said, it's $1.37. It is by Yarn Bee. This is what it looks like in the ball, and that's what it looks like there. When I was buying these, I told my husband, I said, those are awesome because those make hats. Those are hats in a ball. And they are number 6, hand wash, 30 degrees Celsius. Well, that's not going to happen, but you got the nice soft feel to it. I got several of the color. I think I got all the colors. My husband just found out I make hats with them really fast, and because I get frustrated making hats that take 2 days, these take like 35-40 minutes. And that was a half double crochet. This one is a double crochet right here with a fold up brim. Here, a half double, front and back post there. This is all double crochet. That one is the Laser Show, same exact thing, just the name is Laser Show. And I had enough that Creative Craftings with SC started making a hat, and he's got this much left on his skein. Now that would have been a brim of a hat. So and then we have yesterday when I left the house, I grabbed 6 skeins, and I have this hat. This does not have the fold up edge. It is all double crochet, and the front and back post brim. This is what is left of the second one, and this one is called Iceland Poppy. And then I got a bunch of other colors. This is another Iceland Poppy, brand new. So see, it didn't take that much to get the brim, because I made a shorter hat. It's not that much, so I could go a little longer. And then we got Ginger Cozy. I don't know how many colors they had. My husband just kept putting them in my cart. Then I got this. I love this one. These are my colors right here. I'm not a pink person, but I like this fuchsia. These fall, deep fall colors. I love these. This is Dream Spun. Oh, this is Dream Spun, and the other ones are Color Play. And this one is, Twilight Plans. And it is, this one is washable, 30 degrees Celsius, and this is a 5. These are a 6, I believe. Yes, these are a 6. And these are a 5, and you get 76 yards on those. I hope you grab more of those. Those are nice. And we have more of this one. Look, I'll show you. My bag is full. I should just do this over there. And then we have more Dream Spun. Midnight Meadows. And Mesa Vista. Oh, wait, there's a really cool one. Oh, that's the same one. See, I saw that edge and I thought, oh, that's different. It's not. It is the same one. Iceland Poppy. I guess those are the colors they were getting rid of. This is what happened to the other one I was telling you about. Got all messed up in my bag because the bands break. And then it just got, you know, all messed up. And then this is the color Ginger Cozy. I think I showed you that one already. Then we got this one. This is really pretty. This one is Royal Guard. Oh yeah, that looks like the Royal Guard. I forgot to show you the King's blanket that I'm making. I'll do that tomorrow. This one is Sugar Maple Meadow of the Color Play. Look at that. Then we got this. See, look how purple that is. And that's the same laser show. I'm trying to see if there's any other colors. Oh, yep. This is what started it all last year. I got this for like $1. And this is the one that I made a hat out of last year. And it is the Color Play Weekender. That pretty. And then we have this one. That's real pretty. Tuscan Villa. Oh, that would be nice to go to Tuscany right about now when it's snowing. And this one is, it's not snowing here. This is Tuscan Villa too, but this is the Color Play. And this has to be the other one, right? No. Wow, look at that. These are both Tuscan Villa, but this one has more like a stripe, see? They're more like twisted together. And this one is more solid. And they're the same exact color on the band. See, Tuscan, color, right? This one is Tuscan. See? And they're so different. They have the same colorway, but one is twisted with the opposite, with the white, and then this one is not twisted with the white. I'll have to do 2 different hats to see what these look like. Or, ooh, I'll make a hat with this one. Or this one, and do the brim with that one. Ooh. The possibilities. It's so much fun. I showed you Ginger Cozy. I showed you Maple. They're pretty much all the same colorways of the ones I just showed you because that's why they're on clearance. I think it's last year's fall stuff that's mostly on clearance. Here's another Tuscan. Yeah, look at that. It's another Tuscan. This has a little bit of the browns mixed with the oranges and that one. And this one doesn't have any mixture. And this one has all mixture. That would be fun to work with. Maybe I'll make a scarf out of that. So we can see all 3. I don't know. Maybe I'll make hats. We'll work with it. Up, here's another Tuscan. I have enough for a scarf. Well, this is my first haul from, oh, sorry about the finger. My first haul from Hobby Lobby. They were $1.37 each. Like I said, I suggest these. They make great hats. Although you have to hand wash some of them and some of them you don't. The Color Play you have to hand wash. The, oh my goodness. The Dream Spun you do not have to hand wash. So, but these both make great hats. Easy. 1.5 makes a great hat. And it's nice and warm. Or fingerless gloves. And you'll have a great time working with it because it's nice and smooth and it doesn't get caught on the hook. And it frogs. That's the thing. You're frogging the Color Play and it's a pain. You got to go slow because it catches with the fibers because it does have a little bit of a halo. I don't know if you could see it. See the little bit of a halo right there? against the dark, and it catches up sometimes if it untwists. But overall, it's really nice to work with because it is soft. Some of the yarns are so rough that I won't, like burlap, I don't like working with that. I will if I have to. Or a scrubby. I'll work with that if I have to. But that's the first haul from Hobby Lobby. Thank you for